Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that might seem like a challenge to many, but is absolutely crucial for our health and well-being: how to start exercising. If you've ever thought about introducing regular physical activity into your life but didn't know where to begin, this video is for you. I remember many years ago I faced the same dilemma. A sedentary lifestyle, lack of energy, and constantly putting things off until later were my daily routine. It wasn't until I felt my health starting to suffer that I decided to change something. It wasn't easy, but with every small step, I felt better and stronger. I want to show you that you can do it too, and that starting doesn't have to be scary at all. Before we get into the specifics, though, I'd like to warmly encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that red button below so you don't miss any more inspiring and practical content. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It's a huge motivation for me to create more content. Let's start by understanding why physical activity is so important. Regular exercise has a multitude of benefits for our body and mind. It improves heart health and the circulatory system, strengthens muscles and bones, helps maintain a healthy weight, reduces the risk of many chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes and some types of cancer. But that's not all. Exercise also has a huge impact on our mental well-being. It helps reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression, improves mood, and boosts energy levels. I remember after the first few weeks of regular workouts, I felt a huge difference. I had more energy during the day, slept better at night, and simply felt happier. The first step in starting your exercise journey is making a decision and setting realistic goals. You don't have to sign up for a marathon or spend hours at the gym right away. Start with small steps. This could be a 15-minute walk each day, a few simple exercises at home like squats or wall push-ups, or a short bike ride. Remember that consistency matters, not intensity at the very beginning. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, SMART goals. Instead of saying, I want to be more active, say, I will go for 30-minute walks 3 times a week for the next month. This significantly increases your chances of success. The next important step is finding a physical activity that you enjoy. Exercise shouldn't be a punishment, but something you like to do and look forward to. Try different forms of activity. It could be dancing, swimming, yoga, Pilates, climbing, rollerblading, or even gardening. I remember my friend who for a long time couldn't get into any form of exercise. It wasn't until she tried Zumba that she discovered that dancing brought her immense joy, and she didn't even feel like she was exercising. Experiment and find something that suits you. You don't have to immediately invest in expensive equipment or gym memberships. Many forms of physical activity require little to no financial investment. Walking, running in the park, or bodyweight exercises are great ways to start. You can find plenty of free workout videos for beginners online that you can do at home. I remember when I started exercising, I used exactly these kinds of free resources. It gave me a solid foundation and allowed me to see what I liked. It's also important to remember to warm up before each workout and stretch afterward. Warming up prepares your body for exercise, reducing the risk of injury. This could be a few minutes of light cardio, such as jogging in place or jumping jacks, and dynamic stretching, which involves swinging your arms and legs. Stretching after a workout helps relax your muscles and improve their flexibility, which also prevents injuries and reduces muscle soreness. Remember to gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Don't push yourself too hard at the beginning. Give your body time to adapt. If you start with 15-minute walks, after a few weeks you can extend them to 30 minutes or introduce a faster pace. If you're doing simple exercises at home, you can gradually increase the number of repetitions or sets. Listen to your body and don't ignore pain signals. If something hurts, take a break or reduce the intensity of the exercise. Finding an exercise buddy can be a great way to stay motivated. Exercising together is often more fun, and it's harder to skip a workout. You can arrange to go for a run, bike ride, or fitness class with a friend. Achieving goals together provides additional satisfaction. Now, I'd like to interrupt our program for a moment to remind you of a few important things. If you find this video inspiring and feel it could help others as well, please don't hesitate to share it. Click the share button below and send the link to your friends or family who might be putting off starting to exercise. Your sharing could be the impulse someone needs to take the first step. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with starting to exercise, leave a comment below the video. I'd be happy to respond, and together we can create a supportive community. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, do it now so you don't miss any more motivating and practical content. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. It's also important to be consistent and not give up, even if there are days when you don't feel like exercising. This is normal. Everyone has those days. Don't let one day off turn into weeks without activity. Just get back to your plan the next day. Remember that long-term consistency matters, not perfection. Tracking your progress can be very motivating. You can keep an exercise diary where you record what exercises you did, how long they lasted, and how you felt. You can also take before and after photos to see the visual effects of your work. Observing yourself getting stronger, more resilient, and seeing your body change gives immense satisfaction. Don't forget about proper nutrition and hydration. A healthy diet provides you with the energy you need for exercise and supports muscle recovery. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive saturated fats. Be patient and understanding with yourself. Changing habits takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Remember that every workout is an investment in your health and well-being. Celebrate your small successes and be proud of every step you take. Finally, I would like to warmly encourage you to take that first step. Start exercising today. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it will never come. Every moment is a good time to start taking care of yourself. Remember that regular physical activity is the key to a longer, healthier, and happier life. Don't let laziness and lack of motivation hold you back. You deserve to feel good in your own body. If you found this video inspiring and helpful, please share it with people who you think might need this support. You never know who you might help make the decision to start exercising. Thank you for watching, and remember, every step, no matter how small, matters. I'm rooting for you.